guys, Jail here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to request money on the Wise app. So to do this is pretty simple. So here, we're going to go to our Wise and then let's just load it up. So I'm going to allow my Face ID here. So there you go. So here, when you're first requesting your balance, you'll have to have a deposit in that certain type of balance, whether it's Euro, US dollars, that you're going to have to deposit and verify your account. So to actually do this is pretty simple. So here, I'm going to show you how it looks like. So when you do it, it's going to tell what your request is and how would you do it. But first, you'll just have to press the receive button right here alongside your chosen currency. And then you'll have to, of course, view and share your account details right here or request a payment. So we're going to do request a payment. So here, you're going to tell them what's the request for. So you have to add the note here, which is kind of optional. So you'll have to add the amount, of course, and you'll have a create payment link. So once you have that link, you can send that link to someone you want to request the money from the Wise app. Or you can just text it to them, email them, or just PM them or DM them. So there you go, guys. That is how you request money on the Wise app. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.